Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a PDF as a link. This is very important because links are a faster and safer way to share your documents. And here I will teach you how to do it in a very simple way. So this is my PDF, it's a meta file about new things for 2024. And now we're going to go to Google Drive. Doing this by link allows you to have better access and also for your users. Now here we're going to click on New and File Upload. Then you're going to choose the file you want to upload and it will start uploading. Doing this, you will also be able to control people's access. Make modifications in real time, and a very good option is that you are the one who can control when you want it to be available or no. When it is ready, we're going to click on it and here we have our PDF file. As you can see on the upper right part is already the link. So now we're going to click on the upper right part on Share. And here we're going to have different options. As you can see, there is my email because I'm the owner, and we have to change the general access to anyone with the link. We're going to copy the link, let's click on it. And here we're going to click on Done and let's open a new window. Here we're going to paste the link and here we have our PDF. As I told you before, it is a very easy and useful way to be able to share your PDF without any problem, making it compatible for all your users. So now you can share it on your social media, documents, and if you want, with this link you can be able to create a QR code where just by scanning it, they will have the file. I hope you have learned and liked this video. Now there are many ways to make everything easier. See you in the next one. Bye!